Want to rearrange the photos in a multiple photo Instagram post after you've already posted it? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Just follow these steps carefully to avoid any mistakes. First, open your Instagram profile and find the post with multiple photos. For example, I have a post with 3 photos: a woman on the beach, a sunset with trees, and a boat on the beach. Let's say I want to change the order of these photos. Start by tapping the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post and select Edit. This will open the Instagram editor. Now, to change the order, we need to delete the photos we want to move. Don't worry, they won't be deleted permanently, just temporarily. Tap the trash can icon at the bottom left of the photo you want to remove. For example, I'll delete the sunset photo. Then tap Done in the top right corner. Exit the post and go back to your profile. Now tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to Your Activity and select Recently Deleted. Here, you'll see the photos you've just deleted. Tap the post, then tap the 3 dots again and select Restore. Repeat this process with any other photos you want to rearrange. Once you restore them, open the post, and you'll see that the order of the photos has been changed. Now, you've successfully rearranged your Instagram photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.